Welcome back into the Schematic channel. The topic of this video is how we can download and install the sprint layout software. So that's not a free software, but we see how we can download their demo version. So it's free to be download the demo version with some restriction. So the link of this web page where they allow for demo version to be downloaded, it's in the description. So you just go there and you can simply see that web page. So that's the S-Plan 8.0. So I just click on it. Okay, after downloading, we see how we can install it. So click on it and run as administrator. Click on OK, click on next, accept the agreement and click on next. Here you can choose the location, click on next and again click on next. I'll just be uncheck its install example file in documents and create a desktop shortcut. So click on next and click on install. So that's the S-Plan 8.0 demo. It's installed right now. So in the demo version, the saving, exporting and printing is disabled. Okay, but you can try the each other functionality, and if you find out it's helpful for you, then you just simply buy it. So I hope so you like this video. Please subscribe that channel and also share this video with your friend which want to be download the sprint layout software demo version.